we have Smrt Comfort. Also got a Ream Achiever. Very nice. Over here, got this Smrt Comfort. Here's this one. It's 1.5 ton Ream Achiever. Also got a Goodman unit. It's got a BRISTOL. So yeah, so all these Michianas used to live over here, but I'm not gonna. And over here, look at this units. See the apartment complex? One of these are Runnin. Yeah, Michiana used to live over there with that apartment. And yeah, you can see all of these ACs are running. Looks amazing. They don't care about these units. They have own units here. So yeah, I'm gonna make this quick and that's it, because I'm not gonna do this no more. So yeah, we also got a Smrt Comfort. It's here, 2021. It's here, from 2024 or 22. It's 23, 2003. Here's actually a Ruud. See, data is from 2017. That's a 3 ton almost. This here. It's from 2021. These two are from 2011s. Over here, we actually got these here. It's from 23. This one here, purple scroll. It's from 23. It's here. Oh, Spider-Man. 2022. That's it. Over and out.